when I was a music teacher, the only house I could afford was the cheapest one on the market, in this little podunk town. And I was like, man, this is a big house. It's the cheapest one on the market, but it's a 4 bedroom house. Let me see if there's other teachers that want to like live with me. So I found one or two teachers. They lived with me. But the house was like 120 years old, so I fixed it up on the weekends using the skills that I grew up with, helping my parents and family building stuff with. Next thing you know, the house is like in great shape. And I called my banker. I was like, hey, can I get another house? Like, is that a thing? And they said, yeah, sure. Let's take all your rent, take all your tenants, let's move them to the next house with you. And then you can rent out this house to a family. We kept doing that over the course of like 3 years. I had 10 rental properties. And that was like 2020, beginning of 2020, I had 10 rental properties. And then COVID hit, which was when I was like, oh crap. The news was telling everybody, if you pay rent, if you're a renter, don't pay rent. But like as a landlord, I had 10 mortgages on a teacher's salary. And I was like, man, if anything happens, I'm done for. So COVID hit, they kicked us out of the schools. Being music education, being the band director, I didn't have any responsibilities. They were just focused on math, science, reading through COVID. And so I went and started a handyman company based on what I knew, fixing up these 10 houses to get to this point, and made enough money in the first few weeks. I was like, hey, I looked at my wife. I was like, hey, let's just try this full time. After my contract with the school ends in July, let's just do this full time, see what happens. And so that led into Built with Love, which is now a remodeling company.
That's amazing, dude. That is a crazy.
It's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy.
It's like so many different career paths, but somehow it like still aligned you based off of like the things, from what I can understand, the things that you're best at and that you're truly, you're just phenomenal at, like still aspects of teaching, even in, what you're doing now with teaching arguably the hardest class, which is contractors and builders, how to adopt software and AI and just all things systems.